Gusto mo bang mag-agarwood farming? Ang pinaka-trending ngayon na pagtatanim. Pero hindi mo alam paano. Congratulations! Available na ngayon ang manual, your complete guide towards successful agarwood farming, the Wichawa Way. At bakit Wichawa Way? Dahil sa Wichawa Way, walang palya. 100% kada tusok ng inoculant, you are assured of at least 3 grams of agarwood resin, which will have a minimum value of $1,000 per kilo after 5 years from inoculation. Sa tamang paraan ng agarwood farming, you are literally growing gold on the tree. Ang Wichawa method of agarwood production is a proven technology for more than 25 years, whose quality products is highly acceptable in Arab market. He is tagged by Al Jazeera in its documentary Sent from Heaven as the most trusted agarwood supplier of Thailand. Siya ang dinadayo dito sa Thailand upang bilhin ang kanyang mga produkto. Kaya grab your manual now and be a successful agarwood farmer in the near future. At proven na rin na dito sa Pilipinas, epektibo ang Wichawa Agarwood Inducer. Marami na tayong local farmers gumamit nito and their trees are starting to produce agarwood resins. Kaya, buy now the manual. Meron din po tayong agarwood seedlings, high quality with complete DNR documents. At available na rin ang Wichawa Agarwood Inducer. Take note, tayo lang, Phil Thai lang ang exclusive distributor ng Wichawa Agarwood Inducer. Kaya, wag basta-basta bili sa iba, baka mapeke kayo.